To embed a Google Slides presentation as a resource, as indicated in the prior Explore video, we're going to follow these instructions. We're going to select Add Materials. We're going to select Add Page. Go ahead and give it a title. And we're going to click in the description box. We're going to select Insert Content. We're going to select Google Drive Resource App. On the top right where it says Search for Google, you're going to type in the name of the file. Click Enter. It's going to show up. Go ahead and select it. Click Import and select Import Embed. We can then resize this to match however we want. And what we want to make sure that we do is we don't want it to display on a new page. We want it to display in line as they see it on the course dashboard. So we're going to click this so it says Display in Line. We're going to then click Create. It's going to insert it at the very bottom right here. You will notice that it's a one-slide presentation, so all the hyperlinks work, no problem. Everything looks great if you wanted to use this as a resource. And again, the reason that we do it in line, I'm going to click and move it up to the top. So let's drag it up to the top. And so now, whatever resource that you had in your Google Slides presentation, any hyperlinks that you had, any images you had, will be clickable and viewable for your students here. If you wanted to do it an alternative way, you would first download the presentation as a PDF. And we could do that as well. Download it as a PDF, and then what you would do is you would import the PDF file.